Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and if you're new, thanks for joining in. So today we're gonna do this really cool technique with a canvas and some crayons. And what you do is use a blow dryer to actually melt the crayons to make a beautiful masterpiece. So if you end up liking this video, please don't hesitate to give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel because it definitely helps support me. So let's go ahead and check it out. For this project, I'm just gonna be using 2 packs of the 96 crayons, a 24 by 36 inch canvas, a regular blow dryer, some crazy glue, and that's all there is to it. So what I've done here is prepared my canvas, and I've taken all the colors of the crayons that I want and kind of did like a rainbow scheme. So what I'm going to do next is unravel all the papers off the crayons and glue them to the canvas. Okay, so as you can see, I got all the crayons glued to the canvas. I wanted to mention before we get started that this took me about an hour to take all the wrappings off the crayons, but if you choose to not take them off, then that will definitely help save a lot of time. We're gonna go ahead and get the blow dryer ready. Okay guys, I think it turned out really well. Well guys, I hope you really enjoyed this video on how you can make a beautiful canvas out of melting crayons with a blow dryer. And if you did end up liking the video, please don't hesitate to give me a thumbs up, comment down below, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel because it definitely helps support me, and I'll see you guys back next time. Take care.